We are now descending. Ellen is there. And this is a two-way camera. This is the driver over there, you can see. And that's Penang Hill. We are now descending at an angle of 30 degrees. One of the steepest tram in the world. It's a very good horsepower, stability, and also ABS, anti-braking system. So we just passed through a tunnel over here. Wow. Perhaps at about 45 kilometers per hour downhill. And about 30 degrees radius, as you can see behind me. There are some passengers over there. And this is the front view over here. The side view over here. And this is one of the train stations we just passed by. And this is the 1 minute time. Stay safe, take care. You need to don mask during this trip because this is a public transport in Penang Hill. So these are some of the hikers over here today.